Um, hey, sorry to bother you, but I was wondering if maybe you wanted some company.
Sure, I'd like that.
It is wonderful to have you here again as we continue our journey toward confident English. Today, we are going to look at how an introduction turns into a real conversation. An introduction is like a door, and once you open it, you need to know how to walk through. Many people feel a sudden panic after they say their name. They think to themselves, "What do I say next?" This is the moment where many learners stop talking and feel awkward. But you do not have to feel that way anymore. We are going to learn the bridge that connects your name to a great friendship. One of the best ways to keep a conversation moving is to talk about your surroundings. If you are at a party, you can talk about the music or the food. You can say that the music is very nice and ask the other person if they like it. If you are at a school, you can talk about the lesson or the teacher. You might say that the lesson was a bit difficult but very interesting. This shows the other person that you are paying attention to the world around you. Let us talk about how to describe your hometown in more detail. In our previous lessons, we simply said the name of our country. Now, let us add a beautiful description. You can say that you come from a city that is very famous for its delicious food. Or you can say that your hometown is very quiet and has many green trees and parks. Using descriptive words like delicious, quiet, or beautiful helps the listener imagine your home. It makes your introduction feel like a story rather than a list of facts. Now, let us practice how to talk about your likes and dislikes with more variety. Instead of just saying you like something, try using the phrase "I am a big fan of." For example, you can say "I am a big fan of cricket" or "I am a big fan of cooking." This sounds very natural and shows that you have a good command of English. If there is something you do not like, you can be polite about it. You can say "I am not really into horror movies" or "I prefer quiet places over loud ones." This helps the other person understand your personality much better. Imagine you are in a situation where someone asks you a question after you introduce yourself. They might ask you what brought you here today. This is a common question in events. You can answer by saying that you wanted to meet new people and practice your English. Or you can say that you are here to learn a new skill. Always remember to keep your voice calm. Even if the question is unexpected, take a second to think. A short silence is better than a rushed, unclear answer. Let us look at how to introduce yourself in a very formal setting, like an interview. Here, you want to focus on your strengths and your journey. You can say that you have been working very hard to improve your skills. You can mention that you are a very punctual person who values time. Being punctual means you are always on time. This is a very good word to use in a professional introduction. It shows that you are responsible and serious about your work. Another important part of a conversation is the way you react when the other person speaks. When they tell you their name, you should say it back to them. For example, if they say their name is Sarah, you can say "It is a pleasure to meet you, Sarah." Using someone's name makes them feel respected and happy. It is a small secret that makes a huge difference in how people feel about you. What should you do if the other person speaks too fast for you to understand? This happens to everyone, even advanced learners. Do not feel embarrassed. You can politely say, "I am sorry. Could you say that again a little slower?" Most people are very kind and will be happy to repeat themselves. It shows that you are interested in what they are saying and that you want to understand them perfectly. Let us think about our boy character one more time. He is now at a big international event. He is surrounded by people from many different countries. He does not feel afraid. He remembers his magic words and his slow, clear voice. He walks up to a group of people and offers a friendly smile. He introduces himself clearly, and then he asks the others about their day. He is not just a student anymore. He is a confident communicator. He knows that his English is a bridge to the rest of the world. As you practice today, I want you to think about the tone of your voice. Try to sound warm and inviting. Imagine you are talking to a dear friend. When you speak with warmth, people forget about your grammar mistakes. They only feel your kindness. They feel comfortable talking to you. This is the ultimate goal of learning any language. It is about making a human connection. I want you to take a moment to be proud of yourself. You have spent a lot of time learning how to share your life with others. You are building a skill that will help you for the rest of your life. Whether you are traveling, working, or making friends online, these words will stay with you. They are yours now. Before we finish this lesson, let us practice 3 powerful sentences. I am really enjoying this conversation. It was a pleasure meeting you today. I hope we can talk again soon. These sentences are the perfect way to leave a great impression on someone. They are polite, clear, and very kind. Thank you for your hard work and your focus. You are becoming a better speaker every single day. Do not compare yourself to others. Only compare yourself to who you were yesterday. You are moving forward, and that is what matters most. Keep your head high and your voice clear. I am looking forward to seeing you at our next lesson.
Do you want to learn easy English? Subscribe to Perfect Spoken English for more.